Introducing the Masterhitch Concrete Pourer. Are you looking to level up your concrete pouring game? Look no further, as this powerful attachment boasts not one, but two intelligently placed spouts, giving operators the edge in precision and visibility. Pour with confidence, whether it's away from or towards the machine. The front spout of the attachment allows targeted pouring into formwork, while the rear spout facing the machine enhances operator vision for unmatched aiming accuracy. The Masterhitch Concrete Pourer is more than a tool, it's a game changer in design. The dual spout system enables operators to spread concrete evenly in any direction, transforming the pouring process. You can say goodbye to close-quarter concerns, as this attachment minimises the need for workers to be in close proximity. Not just manufactured for top-notch precision, but also for increased safety too. Versatility is at the core of its design, fitting seamlessly onto machines ranging from 8 to 22 tons, the standard excavator sizes found on construction sites. Plus, it caters to your attachment preferences, offering both standard pin and quick hitch options. Enquire today at masterhitch.co.uk and upgrade your excavator fleet.